If you have created hundreds of posts and pages, but several of them have no content, you need to add content or delete them because that keeps your site visitors from coming back, as they will think you have neglected your website. Unfortunately, with WooCommerce you will have to open and edit them one by one. That, of course, will take you many hours if you have to go through hundreds of products. To help you with this, we want to show you how to quickly find and delete all posts and pages with empty content. We'll do it using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin, which creates an intuitive spreadsheet inside WordPress, but that spreadsheet is not just to see your posts, pages, or custom post types information, but you can edit them in seconds. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we are ready to search for all the posts or pages with empty content. To do this, we'll open the posts spreadsheet for this example, but remember that everything applies to the pages spreadsheet as well. Now let's open the search tool. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Then select content. The operator will be equal. Now leave the value field empty. And let's run the search to display all the posts with empty content. After you've filtered the posts with empty content, you can use the bulk edit tool to delete them. For this, select the rows to update, in this case will be all for my current search. Then, select the field status. Choose to set the value. And select delete completely. Finally, execute and all the selected posts will be deleted. As you can see, you don't have to spend hours again, finding and deleting your posts or pages, as it is really easy if you use WP Sheet Editor. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.